Hello my dear foodie friends, welcome to Salad and Food. Today I am going to make almond crunch. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. Take a bowl of almonds. And deep fry it. Fry it on a medium temperature. Keep on stirring while frying. After frying, immediately add salt to taste, red chili powder, chaat masala, and finally add garlic flakes. Give it a good mix. It is deep fried, but when you eat, you won't feel that it's oily. So just try it. It is so crunchy. Eat and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and Food. Thank you. See you in the next recipe.